Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing well and always stay healthy. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Firli Juli Prayitno and they call me Firli, and I'm a college student of Bina Insani University from the Information of Systems study program. My team and I are joining the KOPICONCRETE 2021 web-based application contest. It is my pleasure to do this presentation for our web-based application project called Patsin or Cepat Vaksin. Here, I'll explain everything about what our project application looks like, what the benefit for us, who is appointed for, and etc. First of all, before we dive in deeper, I'd like to introduce our team so that we can know each other well. And this is my team. We consist of 3 persons who are studying at the Bina Insani University. And for the first member is Nada. You may introduce yourself to us, Nada.
Thank you, Firli. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nada Wansa from the Information Systems Study Program at Bina Insani University.
And for the second members is me. So let's next to the last member, which is Rayhan. You may introduce yourself.
Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Rayhan Wahyudin. I am joining in software engineering.
Okay, those all are our members. And next, let's jump into the first one, which is about us. So we are an online vaccination registration service provider that you can use to register yourself for this COVID-19 vaccine. The goal is that potential vaccine users and enumerators do not need to meet face-to-face in order to avoid this COVID-19 pandemic. And the second topic is the achievement target. For the achievement target, we have the 3 main things to be reached. For the first is to simplify vaccine registration. So by simplifying the registration of these vaccines, more and more people will be helped in carrying out the COVID-19 vaccination. The second is to speed up the registration process. This convenience can be used by the community to speed up the registration process for COVID-19 vaccination and does not require a long process. And the last is to help the government reach its vaccine targets. This application can facilitate the achievement targets set by the governments in the COVID-19 vaccination program. Now let's move to the third topic, which is vaccine and COVID-19 education. So we're basically providing information about vaccines and COVID-19 that can provide education for everyone, such as vaccines, the benefits of vaccines, the stages of vaccines, and even the news about COVID-19 and the vaccine itself. And for the fourth is features. For the first is login and register your account. And this is for the register form. And so you can create and log into your account. On our website, there is a register and login feature to proceed to the dashboard. For those who use our website for the first time, we have to register first. After registering, we'll be thrown into the login form and then the registered login. So this is for the dashboard looks like. After login, you will be thrown to the dashboard form. This form the user can directly register himself for vaccination. In addition, this form also displays several other functions such as vaccination statistics in Indonesia, the site menu, the vaccine status, and logout. Next up, this is what our form register vaccine looks like. So to continue the vaccination process, you just have to click the vaccinate button. Then a statement and regarding vaccination will appear. After regarding the information, then then you have to click the checklist agrees and you click the next button. Then the page will change to the registration form. And after that, this is what the after registration vaccination page looks like. Here, you'll see a sign that reminds you that you have succeeded to do a vaccine registration. And at the bottom, it provides the evidence regarding some information that you have given previously, including the date of vaccine and the place of the health service will be held. And the fifth is the map's location vaccination looks like. So for the map's location vaccination, on the dashboard, there is a map feature of vaccination location. It is useful for knowing the location and road to the vaccine. And this is for the website itself. This is a view on the dashboard display using two different devices such as on the desktop and for the mobile device. And yeah, that's it. That was everything for the general information about the website. And now let's try to do the demonstration of the website, shall we? All right. Once we are ready on the landing page, you directly see the two main buttons appear on the screen, which are the login button and the register button that we will try later on. And next, if we scroll down a bit, you'll see the information about our website that you have known before. And then there is our achievement target, the data information regarding the COVID-19 and the vaccine in Indonesia, and then the benefit of the vaccine COVID-19, and then there is some information about the vaccine, such as the about and the group of the recipients, and for the stages. And there is a type of vaccine COVID-19 in Indonesia. And there is the stages of the COVID-19 vaccine. There are 4 steps to do a vaccine. And next, there is a frequently asked question that you can see. And next, there is the pictures of the vaccine in Indonesia. In addition, you can see the more details about the vaccine. Just like this. And next, there is a comment from those people who have got vaccinated. So you can see those comments. And these are the institutions that we have collaborated with. So for the last, there are the news regarding the vaccine and COVID-19 in Indonesia. so you can read some of them news. So let's go back at the top of the page. So now we can try to use the registered button to get into the dashboard. So we can try to create the first account here. You have to fill all the fields. After that, you can just click the login button. Here you have to fill your username and password. Alright, now we are already in the dashboard. As you can see, there's a big button in the middle of the page which used to register. And on the left side, there is a profile picture, the dashboard, and the Google Maps feature. So in the profile pictures, there is some information regarding your profile information. So on the left side, there is also a Google Maps and dashboard. And on the right side, there is an information about the stages of vaccine. Now, at the bottom of the page, there is some information about data vaccine in Indonesia. Okay, now try to take a look at the registration form by clicking the Vaccine Now button. After that, you'll directly face a disclaimer about requirements regarding the vaccine. After you have read all of the requirements, you can click the checkbox. Then you can click the Submit button. And after that, there is a form that you have to fill regarding your information, such as nick, your full name, your place and date of birth, your age, your gender, your address, in your city, the religion, the nationality, your job, your phone number, and your emergency phone number. And next, you have to give your information about your physics, such as your height and weight, body, and for the blood type. And now for the last thing, there is a field that you can choose your location or your place or your health service place will be held. For example, we can use the Hermina Hospital in Bekasi. And then we can click the Save button. And congratulations, you have successfully registered it, as the notifications appears in above. And then at the bottom of the page, you'll see the evidence about your data information you have given previously. And after that, we can use the feature which is the Google Maps. If you click it, there is a maps. You can just input your location, your current location, and then your target hospital or your service places. And then just click the check button. And you can see the distance between your destination. It took about 15.6 kilometers with 25 minutes. And after that, if we finish, we can just log out. We can just log out by clicking the logout button. And that's it. Now, that was everything for the demonstration. And thanks for watching. I hope that are very useful, and we want to apologize if we did a mistake. And thank you.